But at that time, the angel of death.
Do you forget the story of that NEET student? What is happening with her? Tell me. इज्जत गई.
अरिजीत सिंह के गाने और घर वाले के ताने, जस्ट लाइक ए मेडिसिन ऑफ द बॉयज.
Because your tears, I don't like your tears, baby, in your eyes. मुझे तुम्हारे आंसू नहीं चाहिए. And if a girl cries, the world cries. If a girl cries, the world cries. Think about today. What is this? सोच के देखो, अगर तुम्हें ये कह दिया जाए कि जिस घर में तुम पैदा हो लड़कों, ये तुम्हारा अपना नहीं होगा, ये तुम्हारा अपना नहीं है, जिंदा ही मर जाओगे. कितना दर्द सहती है यार ये. और तुम बाहर में जब जाती है तो उसको इज्जत नहीं करते. Why? Tell me. Do you have sisters? Do you have mother? आज सोचिएगा जाकर घर पे ये चीज. Think about it. कितना सेक्रीफाइस करती है यार, कितना. How much sacrifice does she do? कितना सेक्रीफाइस करती है. And you're talking about girl should not be given chance. Okay, नहीं कर सकते तुम इतना सेक्रीफाइस. A boy, you cannot do this much. घर में रहती है वो जरूर, बट वो कैद है वो उसके लिए. वो कैद है. 4 बाउंड्री में ही लोग कैद नहीं होता है. ओके. अरे यार.
Today, everyone is talking about himself or herself. Everyone is justifying his points and her points. Everyone is talking about his pain or her pain. But no one is talking about humanity. Are you animal? Are you animal? No. Do you have feelings? Yeah. Do you have feelings? Yeah. Yes, everybody has. Everybody has feelings. What way is it? When you born, before borning, when you were inside your mother's stomach, your mother carried more than 10 months. And you discriminate about your sister, mothers, about females. Everyone is facing problems. Everyone is suffering. Everyone. Even animals are suffering. And we are human beings. We are not suffering. Someone is suffering more and someone is suffering less. When the time of your birth came, and when the time of your birth come, your mother put her 100% effort to bring you in this world. And in that pressure, in that ability, in that case, many mothers die to bring her child. Just think once. Do you feel, when you face any problems, do you feel bad? Do you feel nothing is with me, nothing is around me, I'm alone? But at that time, the angel of death stand beside your mother, to take your mother's soul but your mother had that ability to bring you in this world. .99999% she gave her 100% effort, and in that effort many mothers die. Many mothers die. And when you come in this world, you start abusing your mother, your sister, your father. Who are you? I've raised up by myself, by my own self. Go and earn only for one day, then you will come to know how to earn money, how to feed children, how to feed sisters and parents. Everyone is discriminating. I'm more sacrificing. Girls are telling, I'm more sacrificing. Boys are telling, I'm more sacrificing. Go and talk to your fathers. Did you eat on time? Did you sleep well at night? How do you earn money? How do you feed us? Have you ever felt your father give you money? Your father buy clothes for you in festival, but your father didn't buy clothes for himself. Have you ever thought? Everyone is suffering. Everyone is suffering. Everyone. Not only boys and not only girls. Your father faced challenges. After that, your father makes money. Then they bring groceries and food and they feed you. Your mother cook food on time. You eat 3 times: breakfast, lunch, or dinner. After eating, you forget how this food made. You say salt is more in this vegetables, in this curry. Spices is more in this curry. I want it. Go and make food. Go and cook food. Then you will come to know how to cook food. How to cook food. Your mother cries. Your mother cries. Your father cries for you, for your career, for your lives. You think only about yourself. You think only about yourself. But your parents think only about you. Not for himself or not for herself. Our constitution is telling, Article 14, right to equality. Where is equality? This is equality or this is equality? Tell me. Your heart turns into the mountain, into the stone. You don't have feelings to feel. Where is it? Go and think. Go and talk to your parents. Go and talk to your mother or father. Did you buy clothes in this festival for yourself? They don't buy clothes in festival for themselves, but they buy clothes for you. They sacrifice their happiness, their interest for your happiness. So it was all about it. Thank you for
दिल से क्या बोला है, सीरियस, सो ग्रेट, सो नाइस ऑफ यू. Thank you very much. Okay, what are you feeling today? मेरा मतलब I don't want to give you the speech and I don't want to make you emotional today. I want you to feel, okay? I want you to change your perspective as a human being. इंसान होने के नाते you must change yourself today. This is not just a speech. ठीक है यार, अंग्रेजी में बोल रहे हैं हम लोग, लेकिन understand the feelings. As today everybody is talking about boys and girls, but don't speak only, do from today. Let's talk about women. Every day she suffers. Every minute she suffers. And every month she suffers. But still she is asking for the respect. In a girl, what do you see? Mostly boys see only two things in a girl. One, a girlfriend, and second, a wife. When will you see in a girl a mother, a sister, and a family member? Tell me, when will you start doing this thing? The world will be safe for them. Every day girl is dying. एक मौत को छुपाने के लिए पूरी सत्ता लग गई. एक रेप को छुपाने के लिए पूरा बिहार लग गया. अगर किसी ने आवाज उठाया तो उसको भी जेल में डाल दिया गया. इतना बड़ा मजाक होता है यार. बताइए, is it not happening in our Bihar right now? Do you forget the story of that NEET student? What is happening with her? Tell me. इज्जत गई, जान गई, सम्मान गया, पहचान गई, परिवार गया, कुछ नहीं बचा. लड़का मरता है ना, सिर्फ एक लड़का मरता है. जब एक लड़की इस तरीके से मरती है ना, पूरा परिवार मर जाता है और हमारी इंसानियत मर जाती है. जब अभी भी हम पॉलिटिक्स देखते हैं, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. हर महीने, हर पल एक लड़की सह रही है, और वो भी हमारे ही अपने ही देश में, अपने ही घर में. 50% आबादी को हमने साइडलाइन कर दिया है. टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्री, टॉकिंग अबाउट पावरफुल कंट्री. कभी भी नहीं होगा. इफ यू डू लाइक दिस, रूल तो बन जाते हैं, कायदे कानून बन जाते हैं, कानून बन जाता है, लेकिन कानून कभी नहीं वर्क करेगा जब तक हम में इंसानियत नहीं आएगी. वी मस्ट हैव ह्यूमैनिटी. आपके भरोसे पे लड़कियां स्कूल जाती हैं, कॉलेज जाती हैं, हमारे कोचिंग सेंटर में आती हैं. अगर मैं प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल लूँ तो आप सुनेंगे, सहम जाएंगे कि हमारे पास कंप्लेन आते हैं, सर कि इस कॉर्नर में मुझे लड़का छेड़ दिया, इस कॉर्नर पे मुझे लड़कों ने डिस्टर्ब किया, उस कॉर्नर पे हमें लड़कों ने डिस्टर्ब किया. और हर साल 2-4 केसेस ऐसे मेरे पास आते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड? बट मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि कानून, लॉ से कुछ भी ठीक नहीं हो सकता. जब तक अपना सोच नहीं बदलेंगे ना, तब तक कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. चेंज योर माइंड सेट टुडे. कैन आई कॉल द नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट? प्लीज कम.
So guys, I want to share boys' pain. A boys have a lot of pain, but a boys don't showing the pain. First of all, boy's name is that pain. एक लड़का जन्म होते के साथ दर्द के साथ जन्म लेता है, मरता भी है दर्द लेके. always going to other side. Boys have not, people don't give me respect. Boys always suffering. Boys have no value on the home. Boys have always lot of pain, but boys not asking them sharing the pain for mother, but boys always tell him, my mother has always lot of problem, my father has always lot of problem. I don't give the problem. My problem, I can solve problem. Boys always earn the money, always asking him, no matter, I am struggling, my family is happy, I am happy. Every people tell him, boys are not cry. Why? Boys are not cry. Why? Boys are always cry night time. Always cry night time. Why boys are not crying? एक लड़का पैदा होते के साथ रोते हुए पैदा होता है, बड़ा होते होते पैदा होता है, अपना जिंदगी संभालने के लिए रोता है, और शादी के बाद रोता है, बच्चा संभालने के लिए रोता है, और मरते दम तक रोते रहता है। जब ये जिंदगी रोना है तो रोएगा क्यों नहीं बॉयज? But boys don't showing the pain. Every people tell him, boys are only for earning money. Why? Boys always forget first love, first everything, forget him. But only for tell him, my family happy, I leave everything. Boys have always loyal. Every people tell him, beti bachao, beti padhao. Why? Boys always earning the money. No matter. Go to hell, boys. What happened? This is the Indian culture. Boys have a heart just like a stone. Just like a stone, we only feel it every place and feel it. Every people can गाली देते लोग boys को, but boys always absorb it. I think अरिजीत सिंह के गाने और घर वाले के ताने just like a medicine of the boys. Father tell him, this is my son. Father don't showing the, I love it. But if son always asking him, I help in my father. I care in my family, I care in my mom, I care in my father. A boy is always caring all family member. But society don't care boys.
Okay, good. Sir, come here. क्या बात है? So beautiful. एकदम दिल जीत लिया लड़के ने यार. So great. दर्द है. Thank you very much. Thank you. देखो ये कंप्लीट इनजस्टिस हो जाएगा कि हमने लड़कियों के केस के बारे में हमने भी बात किया, फिर से हमने क्या किया, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन किया। जब ये बात करते हैं तो लड़कों के दर्द को भूल जाते हैं। क्या भूल सकते हो? क्या लड़के नहीं मरते? लड़के जब मरते हैं ना कुछ इस तरीके से, ड्रम में जब मरते हैं ना लड़के, तो मरने के बाद भी शायद भी वो ये कहते हैं, किसी को मत बोला कि मुझे लड़कियों ने मारा है। शायद ये लड़के कहते होंगे, यस वो कहते होंगे, क्योंकि उसको उस आत्म सम्मान सबसे ज्यादा प्यारा है। राइट? व्हेन अ गर्ल किल्स अ बॉय, नोबडी नोज। बहुत कम केसेस ऐसे होते हैं जो कि हाईलाइटेड होते हैं। उनमें से 2 केस बहुत हाईलाइटेड हुए थे कुछ दिन पहले। Muskan and Saurabh, drum cases. No, it's not a matter of laugh, seriously. Boys' pain are laughable. लड़कों के दर्द हंसने योग्य होते हैं. Yes, in our society. Okay? All right. आलोक मौर्य, ज्योति मौर्य केसेस. पूरी जिंदगी तबाह कर दी उस लड़के ने. He has given everything to that lady. And what happened at last? Okay, tell me. That lady left him. And fled away with some other boys. अगर ये सेम घटना एक लड़का करता फिर तो बवाल मच जाता. It happens. Why? Pain has no gender. Pain has no gender. दर्द के कोई जेंडर नहीं होते हैं. दर्द मर्द नहीं होता, दर्द औरत नहीं होती है. दर्द दर्द होता है. And everybody faces. Everyone is facing it. Alright. पूछो उस बंदे से जिसने शादी बड़े शौक से करी थी. जस्ट 1 साल के बाद जो घर पहुंचता है, व्हाट हैपेंड? हाल ही का हाल पूछा जाता है. यस, गेट पे पहुंचते ही आपको ये नहीं पूछागा कि आप ठीक हो, सब्जी ठीक लाए हो. वेजिटेबल इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन अ मैन. ओके, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू सी द रियलिटी, लुक एट योर फादर टुडे एट द एंट्रेंस. अपने बाप को एंट्रेंस पे देखना. जब वो शाम में आए ऑफिस से काम करके, देखना क्या जवाब उनको देना पड़ता होगा. When your mother calls him, कहाँ हो? आ रहे 5 मिनट. उधर दोस्त भी, भाई बीबी का कॉल आ गया क्या, ऐसे करके देखता. नहीं, मतलब अच्छे बात कहते हैं, बहुत सवासी दे रही थी. It is happening. Yes, it's not a matter of laugh. मतलब लड़कों के दर्द हंसने योग्य होते हैं. लड़कों के दर्द हंसने योग्य होते हैं. If you have pain, the world will laugh at you. You cannot show your pain. And if you show your pain, the world will tell you, you have no heart. You are not a man. What is this? You are not as strong. Everybody expects only painless emotion from a boy. लड़कों से पेनलेस इमोशन की उम्मीद होती है. He must not have pain. He is stone hearted. He is lion hearted. Sir, हार्ट स्टोन का नहीं होता है एक्चुअली. ये सब कहने की बात है, दूसरे भी होता है. But he is not able to cry because your tears, I don't like your tears, baby, in your eyes. मुझे तुम्हारी आंसू नहीं चाहिए. And if a girl cries, the world cries. If a girl cries, the world cries. विश्वास नहीं होता, बिदागरी के टाइम देख लो, विदाई के टाइम में. ओके, बाबुल की दुआएं. What is this यार? कभी सुना लड़कों से बोला जाता है कि बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा, जा सुखी तुझे तेरा संसार मिले. ऐसा होता है? नहीं होता है. एक्चुअली लड़का अपने ही घर में रह करके आजाद नहीं रहता. और गुलामी तो ठीक है भैया, गुलामी सह लेंगे, लेकिन लड़कों के आत्म सम्मान, लड़कियों के साथ गुलामी सहना उसको कभी गवारा नहीं. You understand? And you're crying, sir. You will feel the reality and the pinch of, this feeling after some times, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to speak a lot. अगले स्टूडेंट को बुलाते हैं, okay? 2 स्टूडेंट बचाओ, आइए. Okay? Okay, all right. तो हम बैलेंस कर रहे हैं. Actually, this is the feeling actually. Yes, please start. Okay, have you sit. एक स्टूडेंट बैठ जाइए. Okay, all right.
I would like to share my feeling in front of you. Yes, you are telling all the time, boy does not cry. Yes, but it is wrong statement. You believe this statement, boys does not cry. Seriously? Do you know? Everyone say boy does not cry. That's why boy make her cry. Why boys always girls cry, make girls cry. Why? It is reason for that. You should learn. You cannot make her cry. You know what? Every time if I go outside, everyone talk about me. Why are you going? If I study, why do you study? You can make chapati also. Why? Do you feel it? Why? All the time everyone talk about me. If I go outside, it is not freedom. I feel unsafe outside. 21st century. It is happening because of voice. Do you know? Every time if I do something, everyone make me realize that you are a girl. It is crying. I'm a girl. Really? No. You should bless. Every girl will give you best life. Everyone talking about girls and boys. I'm not against with you, but try to understand girls' feeling also. If you do, everyone appreciate you. You are boys, you can do everything. But if I do, everyone think, what will you do? Why are you doing this thing? Everyone, no one appreciate me to do this thing. No one tell, wow, you are doing good job. Good job, you are doing amazing job. But if you boys do anything, everyone appreciate you. Family also appreciate you because you are boys. It is not crime. I'm a girl. I feel proud of myself because I'm a girl. I can do better than you. You should appreciate also girl because they will give you life. They will give you support. But you don't want to give any opportunity because girls is a girl. Girl cannot do anything. This is your mindset. 21st century. You should think about it. Can you do one thing? Can you give opportunity? Also girl, I believe in this statement. Everyone can help every boys because you are boys. You can go outside without any reason. But if I go outside, everyone tell you why are you going? Stop this. If you go outside, they will look at you. If you go outside, everyone tease you. Really? I feel safe because you don't want to give freedom. You think girls cannot do. You should appreciate also girls. Girls are also emotional. Can you go sasural? Can you live in sasural? Can you go sasural and can you live sasural? No, it is impossible. But every girl goes sasural and they will leave Maika. Why? Because of you. See, depend on you. You will give support, you will give respect, you will give everything. But after that, you will beat him. You will beat her. You should think about it. It is not my freedom. I feel unsafe. It is feel if I go outside, if I go on sasural, what will happen with me? Because of you. Change your mindset. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, last student will come from this side, okay? All right. Okay, thank you. Please, clap तो करने का मन भी नहीं कर रहा होगा आज. बस 5 minutes और, and after that I'll leave you, okay? All right.
I want to ask you one simple question. Who said boys have no problem?
बैठ जाइए.
Firstly, I said from childhood, boys are told your pain doesn't matter. Boys are told your pain doesn't matter, your responsibility does. Is this right? Is this right? Tell me.
बार-बार इशारे करना समझ में नहीं आ रहा तुम्हारे को.
Dear friends, first of all, suffering should not be compared by gender. You know, suffering should not be compared by gender. I think pain has no gender. First, pain has no any gender. Even when a girl is hurt, everyone say, "Hey, hello, are you fine? Take care of her." Even when boy is hurt, no one asks, "Are you fine? Okay, move on. Be strong. Be firm." What is this? It is right for a man. I want to ask you one simple question. Oh, even boys have no pain. Our society will say boys have no pain. Even a boy, when a boy born, even he will reach 18 years old, and he has one option. He will give some earn money. I think when a girl is born, and she has one option. I think कि मैं ठीक से पढ़ी नहीं पढ़ी, अगर पढ़ लिया तो ठीक है, नहीं पढ़ा तो मेरे पास एक ऑप्शन है, मैं शादी कर लूँगी. बट बॉयज हैव नो एनी ऑप्शन. आपको कमाना पड़ेगा तभी शादी आपका होगा, नहीं तो कोई नहीं पूछने वाला है. आई थिंक लास्टली आई जस्ट वांट टू से, in our society girls are protected, in our society boys are tested in our society.
वीडियो की लेंथ इतनी लंबी हो गई लेकिन बातें ख़त्म नहीं हुई. मतलब सोचो कितनी परेशानी है लड़कों और लड़कियों को भी. राइट, दिस इज द प्रूफ मेनी थिंग्स आर टू बी डन येट. अभी भी बहुत कुछ करने को रह गया है. ऑलराइट, सो आई थिंक दिस वीडियो विल चेंज योर माइंड सेट, and if it is still not making any change into your mindset, सोचना जरा सा, are you still human being? I think no. All right, because a family cannot be completed without women and without men. Both are suffering actually. Both are having pain. Please do not do any injustice with the boys or with girls. Thank you, my dear audience, for giving me so much love and support. And if you're still new on our channel, do subscribe right now. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.